All right, now welcome back, and it's 4th of July, so we're gonna have a little 4th of July celebration here. Hope everybody has a safe 4th of July. Please keep all your digits, and we'll see you soon. Gonna have plenty of videos coming up soon. I got all sorts of stuff planned, so hopefully we'll get them rolling here in a week or two, and stay tuned. And by the way, be safe. There we go. Yeah, there we go. There, you're doing it, you old Kodak girl. That's a pretty good perspective. The Benton City close-up show. Mm-hmm. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. We'll back out and we'll pan the valley because there are fireworks going off everywhere. Look at that. Pretty good footage. Tell Taylor she's missing out. Look at that. Yeah.